Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can record cash sales on MyT accounting software. To record cash sales, we need to go to sidebar and click on Receive Money. Here, from bank account list, select your cash account. In my case I have petty cash, and add transactions. So every entry will have every cash sale you can have one separate entry if you wish to. So there is number automatically generated by system. Change the date. So for example, I will have 1st of July. You will need to add it manually. There is no calendar option provided to select. Add details of this transaction. So I will add Jane K and I will say product sales. Add total. So £35. It is income, there is no any other category for cash sales to be recorded. And analysis code will be sales. And click save. Add the next one transaction. So for example, I had Chris S and it was cleaning services. £85 income, and I can select one from below ones. So for example, it's fees. Click save. So select the appropriate analysis account. If you need to edit or delete, click on one of those. So for example, I need to edit. I have separate cleaning services code there and click save. Once you are happy with all list, make sure the last line is deleted, empty line is deleted, and click save. So now when you go to banking section, banking ledger, and click on petty cash, you will see the transactions for 1st of July for money received have been recorded here. So in this episode I showed you how you can record cash sales on MyT accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to MyT accounting software tutorial, as well as my review of this accounting software. If you have not seen it yet, check it out.